Then uJesu uyaqhubeka lapho. Uthi the kingdom of God is like this. Uthi there was a man obekolota his master. Uthi then he went to his master. When his things was about to be confiscated, Uthi he said to his master,
forgive me.
And his master forgave him. And he wiped all the debts. Uthi immediately when he left his master, he found the person that owed him now. Mutu okolota one akolota munga. He said, where's my money? And that money was less than Then haya kwa ile ora nayo na kikupatswana. Bibi liri amutswara kamulana. He threw him down. Amugwanla trongo. But fortunately, there were those that were there when his master forgave him. They went back to the master and said, the master, the person that you have just forgave have just strangled a person for a lesser amount of debt than the one that you wiped for him. He even strangled him and threw him down. And the master said, go and call for him. When they call him, he said, I'm reviving all the debts that you owe me because you failed to extend what I've done to you. So what is Jesus saying? He's saying 7 times is less than how many times I forgave you. So you need to forgive more than what I forgave you. Peter, that are here. When we implement the church discipline, we are building when we implement the church discipline. Because even Peter himself, he denied Jesus 3 times before he could deliver. But Jesus restored him and he reconciled with him and he forgave him. Paul was a sinner. As a matter of fact, he was persecuting the church as far as Acts chapter number 9 is concerned to Damascus. And he was struck by the thunder. And when the thunder struck him, he was blind for 3 nights and 3 days. Then that when he had the revelation of Ananias, and Ananias had the revelation of Paul, and there was the fulfillment of Acts chapter number 1 verse 8, that you shall be my witnesses in Jerusalem, in Judea, and in Samaria, to the uttermost of the world. Because the very same Paul was a sinner, is the one who went to the uttermost. Because when they were scattered in Acts chapter number 8, the apostles remained in Jerusalem. So we need to understand that Uma Sihlagula asikhipha amabele siwakhiphe nokhulu. Let me say it in English. Let's be careful that we don't take out the wheat with the wheat. We must be very careful that we do not destroy, but we build. This gospel is about reconciliation. And the church discipline applies to any sin. How somebody outside. Very scared. With a short skirt. Again, you are preaching outside. You also preach to the prostitute. Must she go and take herself? She's gonna come to the church and take a towel. And call her to the closet. And hug her. And tell her how much you love her. Because you don't know the things that put her to the street. Maybe she was an orphan. Maybe one poor Baba again. Maybe something happened to him. Let us love as the church. Let us apply discipline in the mentality. humanity of Christ. Mawunakithi nomqondo. OwawuKristu Jesu. Owathi esesimeni soNkulunkulu. Wathoba.
He humbled himself. As we stand on our feet.
Where the boys? Where the boys?